Hey everyone. So, are you typing something and Grammarly suddenly stops checking your spelling? Maybe the red correction lines aren't showing up, or Grammarly just isn't catching spelling mistakes anymore. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you rely on it for writing. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Grammarly spell check not working. These troubleshooting steps usually get everything back to normal pretty quickly. Alright, first, try refreshing the page where you're writing. Sometimes Grammarly doesn't load properly when a web page first opens. Just reload the page and wait a few seconds for Grammarly to scan the text again. Next, make sure the Grammarly extension is actually enabled in your browser. Open your browser's extensions menu and confirm that Grammarly is turned on. If it's disabled, simply enable it again. Another thing to check is your Grammarly writing settings. Sometimes spell check suggestions may be limited depending on the writing style or settings selected in your Grammarly account. If spell check still isn't working, try clearing your browser cache. Over time, stored browser data can cause extensions to behave incorrectly. Clearing the cache forces everything to reload fresh. Another common fix is updating or reinstalling the Grammarly extension. Sometimes browser updates create compatibility issues, and reinstalling the extension resets everything completely. One more thing. Grammarly may not fully support certain websites or text editors. If spell check isn't working on one site, try testing it in another editor like Google Docs or the Grammarly web editor. And that's it. In most cases, refreshing the page, enabling the extension, or reinstalling Grammarly will fix the spell check problem. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone!